Color psychology extends its influence beyond mere aesthetics. It enables a holistic approach to designing our spaces. For instance, consider the color yellow. Often associated with happiness and optimism, incorporating yellow accents can infuse a room with warmth, stimulating conversations and uplifting spirits. Similarly, green, widely linked to nature, brings a sense of balance and renewal, making it a perfect choice for spaces meant for relaxation or reflection, such as reading nooks or meditation corners. In addition to colors, the texture and light in a room can amplify their psychological effects. A soft, textured fabric in a calming color can enhance feelings of comfort, while glossy or reflective surfaces can energize a space and boost productivity. Therefore, it's crucial to think about how each design element plays into the emotional landscape you wish to create. The interplay between color, texture, and light can elevate a mundane area into a sanctuary of personal expression and motivation, truly transforming your home into a canvas that reflects who you are and what you aspire to be. Keep exploring the potential of your surroundings, and remember, the right colors can profoundly influence your daily life and mindset, helping to shape the experiences you seek in your home and beyond. Another powerful color to consider is purple, often associated with creativity and luxury. Incorporating shades of purple can inspire imagination and innovation, making it an excellent choice for creative spaces like studios or home offices. Meanwhile, orange embodies warmth and enthusiasm, perfect for social areas where interaction is key, such as living rooms or dining spaces. The use of these colors should reflect not only the function of the space but also your personality and the ambience you wish to cultivate. By thoughtfully blending colors and understanding their emotional impacts, you can create harmonious environments that enhance your overall well-being and encourage personal growth. Let's not forget about the calming effects of neutral colors. Neutral tones, like beige or gray, provide a soothing backdrop that allows other colors to shine. Embracing the power of color psychology enables you to design spaces that not only meet your aesthetic preferences but also nurture your well-being. Remember, colors have profound effects on our emotions and energy levels, therefore, selecting them with intention is essential for crafting environments that truly reflect your identity.